Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see number of characters in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Word application on my computer and I'm going to open one of my Word file. I'm going to open this file and then I'm going to show you how we can count how many characters we have in this document. First of all, you can go to the review menu right here, and then you're going to go to the word count, and here you'll be able to get the number of characters you have in Word. But wait guys, okay, this is the information about how many characters and how many words I have in this document. You will be able to see the number of the characters without spaces or with spaces. You'll be able to get information about the number of paragraphs you have and the lines you have as well. And then you just need to click on close after you are done reading the information right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to see the number of characters in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!